Imagine you meet your friends or family members but not in real life. Instead, in a virtual 3D world that is created artificially.
You entered this world while you are sitting in your room using a special headset or glasses. Similarly, you are working, shopping, or studying.
You do almost everything that you do in the real world, but not in the real world. Instead, in a virtual, artificially created world, using this special headset or glasses right from your home.
How does it sound?
Does it sound a little depressing?
Or does it sound very exciting?
So friends, the metaverse promises something akin to this for the future. It is touted to be a technology that will replace the internet. And today we are going to talk about this metaverse. I, Diptojoy Mistry, and my friend Mushiur Mukul will be discussing about this topic. We have divided our presentation into 4 main parts. First, we would like to give you an overview of metaverse. Next, we will focus on the technologies that will shape the metaverse. Then we will go on to highlight what we can do in the metaverse. Last of all, we will deal with a controversial topic. We will discuss about the criticism of the critics, and we will also discuss the optimistic case for the metaverse. In metaverse, meta means beyond and verse comes from universe. So basically metaverse will be beyond this universe. Internet is limited to 2 dimensions only, but when metaverse is talked about, metaverse would be a world where you can be completely in it in 3 dimensions. For example, you are watching the Liberation War of Bangladesh happening. You wouldn't just see the photo of it or the video, rather it would be as if you were there. Your virtual manifestations in the metaverse will be your avatar. You have to wear these heavy headsets to enter the virtual world. The technologies that will be used in metaverse will be discussed by my friend Mukul.
Now we talk about AR and VR. First of all, we have to know what is AR and what is VR. Almost everyone uses filter when they use Messenger or Snapchat. All of them are an example of AR, means augmented reality. Again, for watching 3-dimensional movie, what do we need? We need a special headset and special glasses. We knew that before, didn't we? Then suppose you meet your friend or family member in a virtual world, not a real life, where you can touch them, you can feel them, you can talk with them. You can do whatever you want. How can it be possible? It can be possible using virtual reality. Most important thing is that there is freedom in using AR, means augmented reality, but not in VR, means virtual reality. Because users are controlled in virtual reality, so you can do whatever you want. We talk about extended reality. First of all, we have to know that what is extended reality. Extended reality is a term referring to all real and virtual combination environment and human-machine interaction generated by computer technology. So we can say that extended reality is the combination of augmented reality and virtual reality. For experiencing premium metaverse, we have to pay money, but it can be the paper money, it can be digital currency, but if it is like cryptocurrency, it will be the best. Now we have to know what is cryptocurrency. A cryptocurrency is an encrypted data string that denotes a unit of currency. It is monitored and organized by peer-to-peer network called blockchain. For example, Bitcoin. DM is also a cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and a part of Meta platform. So it will be the best option for metaverse. DM is blockchain-based stable coin payment system. It can ensure security of its client. We have to transfer or receive money a lot in our daily life. What will happen if they are hacked? It is dangerous, isn't it? For secure payment system, we can use blockchain-based payment system. Now we have to know what is blockchain. A blockchain is a growing list of records called blocks that are securely linked together using cryptography. Each block contains a cryptographic hash of the previous blocks, a timestamp, and transaction data. The timestamps proves that the transaction data existed when the blocks was published to get into its hash. as blocks each contains information about the block previous to it. They form a chain with each additional block reinforcing the one before it. Therefore, blockchains are resistant to modification of their data because once recorded. Next part will discuss my friend Diptojoy Mistry.
Suppose you want to buy land or any asset in the metaverse, but how will that be possible? It is said that it will be accomplished through NFTs, non-fungible tokens. These are non-fungible tokens that exist on the blockchain and can prove the ownership of any digital asset. These NFTs are also digital assets, so we can see them digitally but we can't touch them physically. Now let's see use cases of metaverse. From rearing virtual pets to attending virtual events, you can do almost everything that you do in real life. We will mention some major sectors. First one is real estate. As I mentioned earlier, NFTs can be used to buy any property in the metaverse. Next one is traveling. Suppose you want to visit London, but you don't have enough money. Metaverse can solve this problem. You can have an amazing experience of visiting London along with your friends in the metaverse. Metaverse can have a great impact in the education sector. Augmented reality can play a great role in engineering, architecture, or even in the field of medicine, where you really need to think in 3D. While playing games on the Metaverse platform, players can have a close to reality experience. Now let's talk about the positive and negative sides of Metaverse. Many have criticized the concept of Metaverse. Some questions arise here. Is there a demand for the Metaverse? Do we really want to distance ourselves from the real life so much that we forget how to live real lives? We spend all our lives in this fake artificial world. If this virtual world becomes so addictive and immersive, people may stop worrying about the real world. It is truly dystopian. It will be very depressing. The second problem is the threat to privacy and data theft. Spreading of misinformation can also be a major issue. Now we will discuss about the optimistic cases. Metaverse will make remote work effective. It will be beneficial for healthcare professionals. It will make online games more exciting. It will provide the experience of virtual tours and many more. So that is it guys. We will end here. The references are given in the last slide and thanks for watching.